How to fix and solve TextPlus change phone number. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you guys how can you fix and solve TextPlus change phone number issue. Now, if you want to change your phone number, or if you're seeing this sort of issue, there isn't a direct way that you could change the phone number associated with your account, but you could request a new number within the app itself. Now, however, if you want to fix this sort of issue, then what you could do is sometimes a temporary glitch can be solved with a simple update. So go to the Play Store, and on the search box you want to type in TextPlus and check whether the app needs to be updated or not. If the app needs to be updated, click the update button and log into your account and see whether the issue has been resolved or not. However, if the issue still persists on, you could go ahead and clear cache as well as data. For that, you want to long press the application, go to the app info section, and then you want to go to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache as well as clear storage. However, this is going to delete the data, but to solve this issue, you have to go to this stage. After which, what else you want to do is go ahead and make sure to force stop the application for a couple of hours or maybe a minute, and then enable it, and you should be able to fix the issue as well. Now, despite doing all of these procedures, if the issue persists on, then what else you could do is, in order to fix it, you could go ahead and uninstall the application. So click the uninstall button and make sure to click the OK button and uninstall it. Then at the same time press on the side buttons in order to restart your device, and once again go to your Play Store and install the application and log into your account. That should be able to fix the issue all at once. Now, these are some of the simplest solutions in order to fix it. So that's the way you could go ahead and fix your TextPlus issue. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.